Now, if you've done any kind of conversion at all of currency, you know that it can be challenging to do across multiple workbooks. In this example, we showed how currencies are managed centrally in PowerExcel and how simply changing a currency in one place updates everybody else in the ecosystem. All of the other workbooks are tied through PowerExcel. It's a great example of how we're using PowerExcel to do work for you, which you would otherwise be doing in individual workbooks on your own.
Let me see. The finance team told me to enter my numbers in local currency. So I've done so for Australia and New Zealand. But at corporate, they report in a consolidating reporting currency. I'm told that I can toggle between local and reporting currency. Hey Melinda, I want to check to see that the currency works.
Hi Sajanka. Okay, let me check my currency table. Yes, right now the currency conversion for AUD to USD is 0.6133. For New Zealand, it is 0.6017. Okay, let's test this now. 999 is a big conversion rate. Pressing F9 to share.
I'm going to refresh this now. Pressing F9 to get the numbers. Looks like the numbers update across the entire sheet. Oh wow, that's amazing. This happened just by your changing the conversion rate?
Yes, PowerExcel does the work across all of our sheets so that everyone sees the same numbers at the same time.
So Shazenka, I'd like to trace your number to see if it ticks and ties in my sheet.
Yako, let's tie out April. In the columns, I have reporting currency and forecast. In the rows, Australia revenue and the amount is 198,000.
Shazenka, I'm looking at the numbers for ANZ now. I don't see the 198431 yet. What is going on here? Yes, I need to change to the reporting currency from local currency. I'm pressing F9 to get the numbers. Voila! I see it now. Fantastic.
Hey everyone, while we're at it, can we check my numbers?
We might as well, Jacques.
Okay, I've pressed F9 like Yako did and don't see the Australian number yet. One sec, let me check my filters like Yako did. Okay, I need to change a filter to bring back the right numbers. Let me change to Australia from New Zealand. F9 to get the numbers. Okay, there's the 198. I'm going to change the reporting currency from local. F9 to get the numbers. There's the 198,431, which aligns with Melinda's conversion of about 1,000. Voila! Melinda, let's set the currency back to normal before we sign off.
Okay, sure. Changing it back to 0.6013 and now sharing with F9.
Okay, I will also press F9. Okay, I now see the 119.4. Let's go all the way back to Sajenka in Australia.
Okay, I'm pressing F9 to get the numbers. Yep, there it is. This is like magic, getting the job done without having to pass around spreadsheets.